Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore an exciting opportunity: building a daily crypto income stream without requiring any technical skills. In this financial landscape, more people are turning to cryptocurrency as a means to boost their income. Yet, the intimidation factor of complex charts and jargon often deters beginners. The good news is, you can generate a significant return by applying simple strategies. Let's delve into this intriguing world and see how you can get started today. First, it's crucial to grasp the concept of crypto staking. Unlike trading, staking is akin to earning interest in a savings account. It involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a compatible wallet and receiving rewards over time. This process supports the blockchain operations of certain crypto networks. Many platforms like Coinbase and Binance offer beginner-friendly staking options that require minimal effort. Just purchase some digital coins and choose to stake them on your preferred platform. It's essential to research which cryptocurrencies offer the best staking rewards and come with lower risk before investing. Moving on to another approach: crypto lending. Here, you can lend your digital assets to others in exchange for interest. Platforms such as BlockFi and Nexo facilitate lending, providing security measures to protect your funds. This method works similarly to a conventional bank loan. The borrower pays back interest on the loan amount, generating income for you. Remember, evaluating the terms of lending and the credibility of the platform is vital to ensure the safety of your investment. By lending responsibly, you can build a rewarding passive income stream with crypto. Yield farming offers another exciting avenue for earning regular crypto income. At its core, yield farming is about providing liquidity to decentralized finance or DeFi protocols. This approach involves putting your assets in a liquidity pool and receiving a share of the transaction fees. While it can be more complex than staking or lending, several platforms have simplified the process for beginners. Look for user-friendly interfaces that guide you step by step. Since yield farming can be volatile, it's wise to begin with small amounts, diversify your investments, and continuously educate yourself on market conditions. Let's not overlook the potential of earning crypto through participating in airdrops. Airdrops involve receiving free tokens from a crypto project, generally to promote the currency. These projects distribute tokens to wallet holders, either through participation requirements or simply by holding particular assets. Being active in the crypto community, following relevant social media channels, and using platforms like CoinMarketCap can help you spot ongoing airdrop opportunities. While they might not always offer large sums, it's an excellent way to accumulate different assets without direct investment. Finally, consider exploring crypto affiliate programs. Similar to traditional affiliate marketing, many crypto companies offer rewards for bringing new users to their platforms. By sharing your referral link and encouraging others to sign up or purchase crypto products, you can earn commission. This doesn't require a hefty investment, but can significantly boost your daily earnings over time, particularly as your network expands. The secret here lies in using social media effectively and creating content that communicates the benefits of joining these platforms. In conclusion, building a daily crypto income stream is accessible and doesn't demand extensive technical prowess. With methods like staking, lending, yield farming, airdrops, and affiliate programs, you can tap into the potential of this dynamic market. As you embark on this journey, remember that responsible research and a cautious approach are your best allies. Crypto markets can be unpredictable, so understanding the risks and diversifying your activities will aid in minimizing uncertainties. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Stay informed, stay responsible, and start your path to crypto income today. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.